Hi, everybody. I'm Maura Leora. That means Teacher Leora. Some people call me Teacher Lee. And I am so excited. I really needed to share this with you. My first OLLO kit came from Robotis today. Now, I have never, ever built a robot before. And I know I have a lot to learn. So I ordered the very first set so that I can build my skills from the beginning. So I can learn how to do these things because some of these skills are very new to me. And so I'd like you to come with me as I learn to build these robots, and we can learn together. It's always fun learning together. And I'm really glad to be able to start in the beginning. I'm going to start by showing you, this is the kit. It's the J1, J2, that's the one that I'm learning with. And I'm going to have to turn on my brain. I am going to turn on my science brain, my technology brain, my engineering brain, and my math brain. Are your brains open and ready to learn? Mine is. So I am going to show you the very first book. Here it is. And it's J1. That means it's the first one. And this is the book I'm going to start with because I've never built anything like this before and I'd really like to learn. The first page shows you all about the rivets and how to remove them, which I am going to show you what to do. And then there's a lovely activity, which I am not going to tell you about right now because I want you to look in the book and see it yourself. But the first page I am going to do is learning how to build the numbers. Now let's talk about our equipment that we are going to use. These are the pieces that we are going to use to join our robots together. Now, the way you are going to know which piece I am talking about is we are going to count the holes, and we are going to figure out how many holes there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you see I started counting at the top left? Because in English, we read and write and count from top left. So we know now we have 7 holes, and across the top, 1, 2, 3. So this is called a plate because it's flat. And it's a 7 by 3. But you know what? Even though it's actually called a 7 by 3, we can use it to learn multiplication. 7 times 3 is 21. And if you count these holes, you will see that I got it right. Then we are going to need the rivets. Here are the rivets. And I am going to put 1 rivet in. Let me use a black one so that it will be easy for you to see on the yellow. I'm going to put it in. Now listen to the snap. And then I know it's in. Snap, just like that. Now, I put it right in the middle. That's a funny place to put it. But I'm going to use my rivet remover and I am going to take it out right away. What's really nifty about this rivet remover is that it is a lever. You use the lever to lever out the rivets. Isn't that cool? I'm going to open the instructions and I'm going to see what the instructions tell me. For number 1, I am going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 2. Well, I am going to use this red one. Here it is, an 8 by 2. Now, if you look at it, my job is done. It is already a number 1. How easy is that? I made a number 1. And now, I'm ready to make my number 2. Let me look at the instructions for the number 2. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Oh, I need a 5 by 2, which is a 5 times 2. All right, let me find that one. Here it is, a 5 times 2 and a 5 by 2. And I need a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Isn't that exciting? And I need to put in my rivets. So let me find a nice contrasting color so that it's easy to see on the camera. And I am going to put in my very first 2 rivets. It's going to go like this. One here and one here. Perfect. Now my next step is to take another. Who can remember what this is? Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 2, which is 5 times 2. And if you count the holes, you'll know 10 holes. Perfect. And that one, I need to find some more rivets. This time I'll use blue. I think we can see the blue on the yellow very nicely. Let's put in my rivets. There we go. Now I need my next 5 by 1. 5 by 1, 5 times 1 is 5. That's right. And let's put that one on here. This one's green, so maybe I'll use yellow rivets this time. Remember, friends, there's always time for you to be creative, for you to add your own flair to everything you do. You are the only person with your brain, and so make your brain do the things that you want to do. Now I need my next 5 by 2, which is 5 times 2. And I'm going to put that one down here. And let me see, maybe red, because red will show up nicely on the camera. I'm going to put that one in. And one more. And hey, presto! I made it too. How exciting. Now look, I have a 1 and a 2. I cannot wait to do my next number. I think my next number is 1, 2, 3. That's right. And I can look in the book and I can see what I am going to need. I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 2, which is 8 times 2. And I'm also going to need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, which is 5 times 1. And that one goes over here. Let's find some rivets. Let's do a blue one this time. 1. It's so satisfying to hear the click. I like it. Then I'm going to do the next arm of my 3. This is when our brain has to think really hard, because what we need to do is we need to count where we are going to put the next arm of the 3. So we start always top left. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are putting it in the 4th hole. That means there will be rivet, hole, hole, rivet. Rivet, hole, hole, rivet. And that is the second arm of my number 3. Now I'll look at my book again and see what it tells me to do. Ooh, I need a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 2. And if I counted that, 5 times 2 would give me how many holes? That's right. That's right. You guys know that will be 10. And that's going to be my bottom leg. So now we are going to create a pattern. Are you ready? Goes like this. Rivet, hole, hole. Rivet, hole, hole. I know you know what's next. Rivet. That's right. Let's put that one on and do rivet, rivet. And there, my friends, is my number 3. So now I made a 1, a 2, and a 3. How exciting! I can't wait until I build the next one. I hope you guys come along with me on that journey. Bye, friends. Stay safe and don't forget to wear your mask when you're out in public. See you soon.